This is Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about slides. Microsoft PowerPoint is an application that we use to make our presentation, and we can also use it to make some certain graphic designs. So today we are going to talk about slide. You go to the Insert tab and you click on what we call new slide. This is the new slide. You click on it to give you a chance to create a bunch of slides. You see a template, or you can choose a blank slide. You can choose a content with caption. You can choose picture with a caption or title only. So let me click a title slide like this one. I can also click on two contents. Look at how the layout is going to be. You can also click on a blank slide, which is like this, and you can choose any kind of slide from this new slide. You can also right click on any existing slide to make changes to that very slide. For example, I can right click on this number one slide like this. I can create a new slide from here. New slide, you see it has been increased right now. You can also duplicate the slide. You can also right click again and delete a certain slide. You see it has been deleted right now. You can also right click again to change the layout of your slides. You see, look at the bunch of layouts. Let me choose this one, and I can also make it to be a blank slide if I wish. Look at how it is right now. You can also still right click on it to format the background of your slide. I click here and it will give me fill color to choose, which I can change the color of the background of my slide. I can select any color. I can use this one. I can choose green, and I can choose black if I wish. So this is a gradient, and I can choose to increase the transparency or increases. You see, and I can choose and add a graphic to my slide. I can go to the picture or text or texture, and then select from the file and click from any picture which I wanted to use. Let me click on this one to be as my slide background. And also you can still manipulate your slides by right clicking on it here in the working environment of the slide. You see the slide layout is there. You can reset the slide. You can add a grid line to it. You can add a ruler. You can format the background from here also. And if you finish setting up your slide, then what to do? Maybe you want to start working with your slide. So let me make this one to be my blank slide. Then there is about 2 to 3 ways to add text into your slide. So you can use what we call a text box. This is the text box. I can paste it anywhere I wanted to write, and I can write something like this. I can write something like this in it, and I can format this one by clicking it like this. So let me increase the size of it. Let me make it to be this. I can make it to be at the center, then pick it and then locate it to any place which I wanted to make it. So let me make it my heading like this, and I can format it with the font color. Look at this. Look at the color I have selected right now. So I can also bold the text, and I can italize it. I can also underline it. And if I wish, I can also change the font style, maybe to Algerian. Let me choose this one. and let me remove the underline. So look at my heading of this very slide. Add as many slides as you can add into your project. So in Microsoft PowerPoint, you use slide, not pages in it. So you choose any slide and then the layout you want, and then you work on it. You can also insert a table into Microsoft PowerPoint, just like you can do in Microsoft Word. So you go to the Insert tab also, and then click on Table. You can draw your table. You can choose the number of columns and the number of rows. So let me choose 6 by 6 and click on it. I can format my table. I can increase the size like this. I can increase it to match my desired size I wanted to use. And you can also do what we have about 3 methods of inserting a table into Microsoft PowerPoint, just like we have done in Microsoft Word. So you can go to the video, which I'm going to add into the description below to see it. So this is another way of adding a table into Microsoft PowerPoint. You can insert a table by writing the number of columns to the number of rows. So let me click it. Look at how the table has been inserted. And you can also use what we call you can still also use what we call draw table, and you can import an Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft PowerPoint. You can add a picture into your slide by going to the image group and then click on picture and choose any picture from your pictures and then add it into the Microsoft PowerPoint slide. Look at this picture. Look at how this logo has been added here. And you can also format your picture just as it has been into your slide. So let me go to the correction. I can recolor it by also increasing the brightness or minusing the contrast. Look at how it's changing when I click any one of these. I can change the color. Look at how it's changing by clicking change color. I can use it to be like this. You can also import an online. You can also add image from an online by going to the online picture. You can create a photo album. You can go here, create a new photo album, and then from the disk, you can say from the disk, let me select all these pictures to be used as my photo album pictures. Let me click it. So look at all the pictures here, and I can add all of them into the photo album to make it. So let me just select all of them. So all of the pictures are being selected right now. I can say create. Look at the photo album I have created. So I can use what we call, I can present it like this as a slideshow. I can start from the beginning. Look at the photo album. Look at the images. You see how beautiful the images are showing on Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool you can use in graphics design, not only for presentation, but you can use it to make your graphical presentation. And it's also a very nice tool. Thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe to our channel.